हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपके साथ यास्मीन। बॉलीवुड के खिलाड़ी अक्षय कुमार के लिए ये साल काफ़ी बिजी होने वाला है। हाल ही में उनकी फिल्म केसरी रिलीज हुई थी, जो कि बॉक्स ऑफिस पर काफ़ी अच्छी कमाई कर रही है। इसके बाद वो रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्म सूर्यवंशी में लीड रोल प्ले करने जा रहे हैं। यही नहीं, इसके अलावा वो एक वेब सीरीज में भी दिखेंगे। और अब हम एक ऐसी खबर लेकर आए हैं जिसे सुनकर उनके फैंस की खुशियों का ठिकाना नहीं होगा। इस बार वो अपने ही साले करण कपाड़िया को एक खास सपोर्ट देने वाले हैं। खबरों की माने तो अक्षय ने फिल्म ब्लैंक के लिए एक सॉन्ग शूट किया है। इस बात की जानकारी खुद करण ने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर पोस्ट शेयर करके दी है। और तो और अक्षय ने भी अपने साले करण के सपोर्ट में एक ट्वीट किया था। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस डिंपल कपाड़िया के भांजे करण कपाड़िया फिल्म ब्लैंक से बॉलीवुड में डेब्यू करने जा रहे हैं। और ये तो आप जानते ही हैं कि अक्षय कुमार कभी भी किसी की मदद करने से पीछे नहीं हटे हैं। इस बार भी उन्होंने एक तरह से देखा जाए तो अपने साले की डेब्यू फिल्म में उनका सपोर्ट किया है। बता दें कि हाल ही में इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ था, जिसे लोगों ने काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस दिया। इस फिल्म के जरिए सनी देओल ने एक बार फिर अपने एक्शन अवतार में वापसी की है। लोगों को उनका ये अंदाज काफी पसंद आ रहा है। बता दें कि ये एक एक्शन थ्रिलर फिल्म है। बेहजाद खंबाटा के डायरेक्शन में बनी ये फिल्म 3 मई को रिलीज होगी। वैसे एक बात तो कहनी पड़ेगी, इस फिल्म में अक्षय कुमार की एंट्री से लोगों की एक्साइटमेंट और भी ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगी। वेल, आप इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए कितने एक्साइटेड हैं, हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं।
So sweet sir, final stage 111 and then we open the interaction with media. आपके लाइफ में because the movie is called Blank, एक ऐसा टाइम आया होगा Thank you so much. With this, I would request Sunny sir, Karan Veer, Ishita, and Behzad to be on stage for media interaction. Hi. You have to specify which Karan. There are 3 Karans on stage.
The 3 Karans here.
I met Karan Kapadia. Karan, how was it debuting with Sunny sir? And were you nervous when you started working with him on first day of your shoot or something like that?
I was nervous before the first started, but yeah, 1-2 days into it, it was all good. You know, once you get into the motion of things, it's fine.
I also have a question for you, Sunny sir. You have worked with a lot of newcomers. What was different with Karan?
They are so well prepared about what they want to do and why they want to do it, and I think Karan was very definite about this project. He had already gone through it with Behzad, I think so early on.
Me and Behzad and Pranav were attached to it for a while.
So that's why I think, and which is very nice because then.
आपकी जब भी फिल्म आती है सर, जो आपका जो एक्शन होता है, it's very raw, rustic and it's very practical, based on practical effects. So is this your preference? मतलब जब आप एक्शन को देखते हैं, is this your definitions कि मतलब जितना हो सके it should be raw, real, and it should be like it should
do things everything myself. So उस वक्त सब चीजें raw ही होती थी, and it's just after I don't know when everything started changing. But definitely, I mean, any emotion or whatever it is, and action is an emotion. So the more believable, I mean, we do go a little larger than life, but we should believe that it is possible.
Hello, Sunny sir. This is Hasti from Cinema.
We're not aware of it. What a goof up it is. So that's what something excited me. I said, how are they going to go through it, and that's what Behzad and the writers, everybody brought across, and that was very exciting, the way they bring things on the screen, and it is.
Hi, Sunny, this is Priyanka from Indian Express towards your center. Hi, Sunny, I wanted to know that, you know, team on screen for the longest, and we've seen, you know, a resurgence in filmmakers' interest towards this theme in the last 5-6 years. How do you view it, these films today, and how do you feel the treatment of patriotism as a theme in Hindi cinema today?
Yeah, diverting from blank, aren't we? See, first and foremost, the most important thing is, are we all patriotic or not? Do we love our mother? Being strong, fight for something, and that's my nature also. I just go till the end, and I'm not a kind of a person who gives up. So somehow that reflection comes across, and so some films which I've done, which are out of the patriotic note, basically it is. Otherwise, the emotions are the same. We all have love and hate and anger and everything the same. So I don't think anything is changing from that point of view. So definitely the youth which is coming in will be reflecting all these emotions basically.
Right. Also, Karanveer, you've done a couple of films before Blank, of course, but this seems to be the biggest of all that you've done.
Here from Cineblitz again. I wanted to ask you that your first debut film is quite intense. So, and also you have got reviews even from your family also saying that you have chosen a very intense film for your debut. So is this something you are inclined to, or are there more genres?
Honestly, lucky enough that I can just pick and choose whatever film I want to do. I was lucky that Blank aaya at a time where I really needed it and I needed the opportunity. I just turned out to be amazing. So I am open to doing any genre as long as it's a film that I think I would go watch myself as an audience. I would do that film. So I am not picky like that.
हाँ करण इधर है जो ट्रेलर में अभी हम देखे आपको जो पकड़े जाने पे जो आपको भुलापन दिखता है कि एक तो मुझे नहीं पता ये हो क्या रहा है तो वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या पता नहीं
आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर सकते हो प्लीज
ट्रेलर में जो हमने देखा कि आप बोलते हैं कि वो एक तो मुझे पता नहीं कि हो क्या रहा है तो जो हम यहाँ पर भुलापन जो मासूमियत देखते हैं आपके चेहरे पे वो पकड़े जाने के डर का है या वास्तव में इस हालात का आप इत्तेफाक से शिकार हो गए हैं
वो तो अभी आपको पिक्चर देख के ही पता चलेगा
Sunny, hi. In Bollywood until like for so many years, but we have never seen you like in the recent time we have not seen you in a like a multi-star. Like of course we have seen you in Border, which had a lot of actors and done alongside Shahrukh. But after a point we didn't see you working with many actors. Like you are friends with Salman, you're friends with many of the actors. Would we ever see you working with them, or have you consciously stayed away from doing multi-star?
लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं तो वो बेचारे पहले से हिले रहते हैं तो उनको कंफर्ट करने के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं आप?
नहीं कोई हिला नहीं होता है, हिला तो मैं ही होता हूँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता आई थिंक
जो भी थे आपके साथ बहुत अच्छा काम करवाया था तो यहाँ भी कुछ नोट्स तो आपसे लेते ही होंगे
नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं
करण है और हैं जो आपके नज़दीक हैं
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है so
everybody has their approach so
आपको देखा था हमेशा चुलबुली अंदाज में ही देखा है लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम हम आपको प्रॉपर एक्शन करते हुए देखेंगे तो आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म कहीं ना कहीं आपकी इमेज बदलने में कामयाब रहेगी
I think as an actor, that's what we always. But yeah, in this, I'm playing something very different, and I'm very happy and excited about it. And I hope कि लोगों को पसंद आए. And in future, I get to do not just action, comedy, and something else also.
She's changed as a person also. Every day on set, she'll ask me, आज किसको मारना है? So.
I in fact wanted to like.
आज किसको तोड़ना है? Sorry, तोड़ना was the word.
Hi. In your career, I don't remember seeing you playing a negative character. Correct me if I'm wrong. In this film also, Karan is from the trailer it seemed that he's playing a grey character or a negative character. Were you tempted to play a negative character, or have you consciously stayed away from negative roles?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कहानी अच्छा character.
So we'll do Blank 2 and we'll turn the tables.
Your breakout performance in Bollywood, but after that and even previous to that, you've been a popular TV star. But tell me, is it very difficult for an outsider to get meaty, to get good opportunity roles in Bollywood as compared to TV? Do you think it's easier for TV actors to still get great opportunities?
So first day of shoot था, वो कैसा रहा? Because you're directing Sunny Paji and Karanveer and Ishita. So how was it? What was the scene and?
Honest answer?
जी honest answer.
फटी पड़ी on the first day.
तो कैसे संभाला गया सब कुछ?
There's already so much competition with so many newcomers coming in the industry every year. Do you feel the worry, to perform and make your place in the industry?
No, not really. I think.
और उसके बाद ये चीज़ें अपने आप ऐसा हो गया कि उरी के बाद जब ये मौसम ऐसा बन गया कि हर जगह पेट्रोलिज्म देश के लिए तो आई थिंक